Let's talk about the keywords and which keywords you can use. So to do that, there is a free tool from Google, which is one of the best tools that you can use. And it's called Google Keyword Planner. So we go to Google and we type Google Keyword Planner. Okay, search for that. And you see here the first result is Google Keyword Planner, how much it costs, and you have all the information about the tool right now here. This is the first result, the first organic result. So we click on this one. And in here, let's see, we are going to the Google keyword. If you don't have an account with Google Keyword Planner, or you don't have an account with Google AdWords, you will need to create one account before using the tool. Again, the tool is 100% free right now. Of course, that can change because Google constantly change their policies and how they deliver their products to the customer. But right now it's 100% free. The only thing you need is to create an account on Google AdWords. So if you don't have an account, let me show you very quick how to create one right now. Let me open this is a browser, an incognito browser. This is the page that you will see if you don't have an account. So you can click on create an account here at the top right hand side. The first option is to enter the email address. So let me enter a generic email address here just for test. What's your website? I'll enter my website. If you need to enter your website here. So they are asking you, yes, I want to personalize tips and recommendations to improve my ad performance, or no, I don't want. I will say no for now. You can change this later because we are not actually advertising on Google right now. That's not the focus of this class. Click on continue. Excellent, is asking for the login information for this account. So let me do that. Okay, they are asking me for some recovery information. They have my phone and my recovery email address here. When I'm ready, I click on done. Excellent. And now let's see what's the next step. It's loading the page. Excellent. In here, we can create ads for YouTube, for Google and all that. But for now, we go to the top menu, click on tools and click on Keyword Planner. It's opening the planner. That's great. And now here we are on the main page, on the home page of the tool. If you don't have a credit card associated with your AdWords account, you will need to enter your credit card. Again, for now, this tool is totally free. The credit card is just in case you want to start creating ads with Google, which is not the case. But in order to access the tool, yes, you need to have your credit card on file. So when you complete that, you will be here on the home page of the tool. And the tool, the specific option we are using here is the first option, which is search for new keyword using phrase, website, or category. So click on that. And in here, we need to enter the keyword. For this specific case, again, we are talking about online courses. Online course. You can enter a website, so Google will analyze the keywords associated with your website or with your competitor's website. So if you have that, you can enter here and see how the keywords are managed on this specific website. Your product category, you can enter here if you want. I don't worry about this. We need to only analyze the keywords right now. So targeting locations, you can enter again the location, the country, the city. In this case, I'll enable all locations. You can choose the language. You choose more than one language. In this case, it's English. And the Google tool. You want to search that on Google or on Google and search partners. For now, I'll just select Google and click on Save. Also, you can set up negative keywords. This is a little more advanced. Don't worry about this if this is the first time you are using the tool. When this is ready, when you have your keyword here, the location and the language, these are the three most important things, you can click on Get Ideas. And now Google is searching their database for these keywords and see how many times people go to google.com and search for this specific keyword. And what's the beauty of all this? The beauty is that we have two tabs here at the top. The first one is Add Group Ideas. Let me click on that so you can take a look. And the second one is keyword idea, and this is the one that we are using today. So you see here on the keyword idea, basically you enter a keyword here at the top. They tell you how many monthly searches are for this specific keyword. So for the keyword we have, which is online course, we have from 10K to 100K searches per month. So that means that up to 100,000 people go every month to Google and type this specific keyword. Okay, and also the great thing here is that Google give you keywords idea, so related keywords that are related with this term that you enter here, and how many search they have every month. So you can use that to target specific content, to create target content for your audience. On this case, we are using this for our Facebook page description. So the first one is online courses. So I will write this down on a piece of paper that I have here. So online courses, that's great. And here now I will take a look on the keyword suggestion. So I have online classes. You see from 10K to 100K. So this is another great keyword that we can use on the description. Let me open a notepad here so we can write this and use it later. Let's see, new document. Okay, so the first one is on online courses. Perfect. The second one is online classes, which is a huge keyword also because it has up to 100,000 people searching every month. Distant learning, this is not a good keyword for my page. I think online education, again, another great keyword. So online education, online universities, online learning, a great keyword, online learning. Let's see. Okay, I'll use this for now. Online training is also great. So the word training, online courses, excellent. You can also order this by average monthly search. So if you click on this, Google will show you at the top the top searches for this specific keyword. So you see the word course is searched every month up to 1 million times. Distant educations, free online courses with certificates, online classes. So all this is great. So we have a few keywords. I invite you to spend more time if you need searching for keywords. And we will use these 5 keywords I have here on our Facebook description. Why? Because these keywords are the top keywords for this specific area, for the online course keyword phrase, okay? And by using that on the Facebook page description, we are spreading these keywords on Facebook, we are spreading these keywords on Google and Google search partners. So that's why it's super important, because the chances for your page to run higher on Google and also on Facebook results are great, because people will go actually on Google and search for this specific keyword. And this keyword is on your Facebook description. So Google will say, okay, this may be the right page for this group of people that are searching for these keywords. So that's why it's important. And we will do that on the next video. We will create the description on the next video. Before we end this video, let me give you another example. You can enter other keywords here if you want. Let's say we have a business that we want to create a page about a chocolate cake. Let's say we have recipes of great cakes, and one of the top one is the chocolate cake. So let's search for that. Chocolate cake. Okay, search. Let's see here. So you see here that there was a problem retrieving these ideas. Please try again. This happens sometimes because when Google is, I don't know if it's overload or what happened, but happens sometimes. If this happened to you, all you need to do is click on Get Ideas until you see the results. Let me refresh the page. Okay, now we see the results. So you see here the chocolate cake, this specific phrase. People are looking for this on Facebook, on Google, from 100K to 1 million times every month. People go to Google and type this keyword. Okay, so this is a great keyword. Let's see which related keywords we have. We have chocolate cake recipes, another great keyword. Cake recipes, up to 1 million. Dessert recipes, 1 million. Easy chocolate cake recipe. Moist chocolate cake, okay. Carrot cake, 1 million. Carrot cake is also up to 1 million. So this is a great way to find, if I am interested on chocolate cake, I will use for sure the keyword chocolate cake, cake recipes on my description. Let's see what else. Dessert, I'll use the word dessert because people are like looking for that also. And maybe I can add something about carrot cake. I know my page is about chocolate cake, but I can say, hey, if you want more information about other recipes, and you can click here and see and access the recipe of the best carrot cake you will ever make, or something like that, okay? So you get the idea. This is a great tool. I hope you like it. I hope you take action right now and search for your keyword and write down at least 5 keywords related with your topics. And we will use these keywords in the next video. See you there.